Before we start this video, I want to tell you about the giveaway this month. I'm going to give one Bitmain Antminer Z9 from bitcoinmerch.com because I'm going to do a lot of videos this month. Check the link below how to join and subscribe. What's up guys, my name is Idan, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today we're going to check how much money did I make mining 24/7 for a month on my workstation with a 2080 Ti graphics card. I also have this Aorus laptop with a 3080 graphics card built in there, and I also mined on it for 30 days straight. So we'll see how much money I made together with those two, how much power did I consume, how much dust we collected, and if there's any damages or long-term effects to the equipment. But before we continue with this video, I want to mention today's sponsor, Lolly. I actually use Lolly myself for my Chrome extension, and I get free Bitcoin for shopping. It's so easy. It works with thousands of stores like StockX, Nike, and even Postmates. StockX, for example, have some video cards for mining, so that's pretty cool. You can get Bitcoin for buying it, and you can mine on them too. I got pretty thirsty making this video, so I actually ordered some smoothie and a toast from Postmates, getting free Bitcoin, so it's gonna arrive pretty soon. After I installed Lolly extension on my Chrome, you can see now it's green. It means that I'm gonna get the rewards. I can taste the free crypto. If you're interested, check the link below and download the Lolly extension now. It's so easy. Let's start with our laptop. It's actually mining right now $5.14. Obviously there was power plugged in the whole time. I was getting Bitcoin basically. You're not really mining Bitcoin, you're mining other coins. NiceHash converting it to you with a fee that I will show you later and pays you in Bitcoin. As you can see in the back, you see those two things right here? Those are fan filters for Antminer or for bigger mining rigs. I actually stick them to the back to help me reduce the amount of dust that get collected to the computer because this thing runs 24/7. If you want to get one, bitcoinmerch.com, check the link below. You can definitely buy those. Any other effects I can see? Not really. I mean, I'm sure the battery got some more battery degradation because of the heat. Now let's move over to the 2080 Ti, and you can see we're making $6.36 right now. It jumps between like $4.50 to $7, and it's been like that for the whole month I was mining. Alright guys, I took the computer out and I'm gonna open it for the first time in months, okay? I was actually mining on this for like 4 months straight. Let's check what's inside. Oh yeah, it's dusty in here. Oh boy. Let me show you guys. To illustrate how dusty this is, I'm gonna make a line here on the GPU. Oh, yeah. Alright, so expect something like that when you have your GPU mining all the time. And look at this. There's some dust here, like, oh my god, all this here. I guess some air kind of escaped from there and got all the dust in. And look at those fans. Yeah, full of dust too. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my blower to blow all this dust out outside my house. And let's check this filter. There's also a detachable filter. Let's see if it catches any dust. Holy moly. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it well, but oh yeah. That's a lot of dust. All right, so time to clean my computer. I guess it's a good opportunity to clean it. Be ready for some real dust, okay? Okay, that was not too bad. I'm gonna take off the video card. Let's see how it looks like when I take it out. I also have this little device that keep it up because this video card is so heavy. I recommend it for big cards. Can you guys see that? There's tons of dust under those fans and inside this heatsink. So I'm gonna do my best to blow it with a fan, and then later I'm gonna use some toothpicks too. Let's go. Wow, actually the fan did a great job. I actually don't need to use any toothpicks or any alcohol or anything. Everything looks really good now. It's still a little dusty, but look at that card, beautiful. 3 months of mining, you know, nothing. Very impressive. Got my mask for this one. Like new again, the filter, it's so easy to clean. Do this guys, clean your computers, it's so easy. All right, putting the filter back in. Now for the laptop, there's not much I need to do, just kind of like, I see a little bit of dust. Just clean the filters out a little bit. Now that we finished cleaning it up, it's actually very quiet. Can you hear it? Barely. Before, those fans were very loud. Now let's check out how much power we're consuming. Right now we're mining about $6 a day. Guys, I learned something new. So this cable is a lot thicker than this one. I tried to use the thin one and it was a terrible idea. The cable got really hot and we actually draw more power. Now we're drawing 370 watts compared to 400 with the wrong cable. So make sure you use thick cables when you're mining such a high power. Now let's check out the 3080 laptop. It's mining right now, also overclocked, not recommended. We're making $4.70 on NiceHash. We are consuming 132 watts right here. It takes a lot less watts than the 2080 Ti, so very efficient. So we consume 500 watts total, okay? And if we calculate that 24/7 and then times 30 for 30 days, it actually comes up to 360 kilowatt hours that we're spending. If we calculate that times $0.2, that's how much we pay in California, 20 cents per kilowatt hour. That comes up to 72 bucks, okay, 72 bucks. Now, we use those two computers all the time for shipping. We use them for editing videos, for gaming, so it's not fair to charge that amount because we use it for work too. So let's say 50 bucks per month. That's how much total we spend on electricity to run the 2080 Ti and the 3080 laptop, okay? Now, let's go to NiceHash and see how much money we actually made. We can pull it up, the report, and see. Let's go check. We are going to NiceHash right now and finding out how much we made. So we're gonna go to wallets, and from here I can actually click on export, and right here I can choose the dates. I'm gonna choose March 1st until pretty much March 31st. So that's a whole month that we mine on the two video cards. I'm gonna change the time to Pacific time, that's Los Angeles, and create. Here is our NiceHash, and you can see that we get paid pretty much a few times a day. You can see the fee. There's a 1 cent, 2 cents fee. Every time we get paid, there's a little bit of fee going to NiceHash. If we scroll all the way down, we see that we actually made $247.22. We paid $4.95 for fees for NiceHash for mining. For me, it's totally worth it, especially because when you mine on NiceHash, you can you can transfer your Bitcoin to your Coinbase account with no fee. Now remember, Bitcoin fees can be 20, 30, 40 bucks. And if you move them from NiceHash to Coinbase, it's free. So that's a big deal for me. If you do small amounts of mining, like what I do, 200 bucks, 300 bucks a month is not a lot. If you do like $10,000 a month and then you pay hundreds of dollars of fees to NiceHash, then we can talk about, all right, now maybe it's worth it for you to mine on your own and then you don't pay NiceHash the fee. NiceHash says we made $242, okay, in some cents. Minus 50, that's how much electricity we spent, equals 192 bucks. That's our profit per month for doing nothing, just having two computers that I have anyway on. That's pretty amazing. I think it is worth it. It's definitely more wear and tear, you know, it heats up the room a little bit more, so if you have AC, you have to, you know, use the AC more, but in general, that's not bad in my opinion. Let's calculate ROI, or return on investment. The laptop cost me $2,000, okay? I was very lucky to get it. There's a 3080 in there. The computer cost me $3,000. That computer has a 2080 Ti and a bunch of other stuff. So total, it's $5,000 investment to make 192 bucks a month, right? And if we divide that and calculate how long it will take to get our money back, it will take 26 months, so over 2 years. Now, obviously, just to make money from crypto, this is not a great deal, in my opinion. Obviously, that's a long time, and who knows what's gonna happen to crypto. And it's not guaranteed to keep mining that. It can mine more, it can mine less, so it's hard to tell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our giveaway for bitcoinmerch.com. We're giving away a Z9 Mini. And don't forget to subscribe to the video and like if you like it. And comment below what you think about those numbers. And if you have a gaming computer or a laptop, are you mining yourself and how much can you make? Comment below so people can see how it works. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.